Hello everyone and welcome to today's session. My name is 𝗨ih𝗶𝗵 and I'm so excited to have you here. Thanks for stopping by. Whether you are just starting out or looking to sharpen your skill, today's session is all about empowering you with the tools and knowledge to take you to the next level. So I believe in making learning interactive and fun. So feel free to ask any questions, share your thoughts, even your challenges as we go. So, today we are going to walk through NumPy and Panda. So, let's begin with the introductory knowledge of NumPy and Panda. So, let's check our guide. So, as you can see, we are starting with NumPy, which is the short form of numerical Python, which is the fundamental library for numerical computing like arrays and matrices. As you can see in our bullets, it is very efficient for mathematical operation for arrays, because arrays are very important data structure in Python. It helps to handle this through this dynamic library. As I said, it is very dynamic because it is the foundation for all other data libraries. So we can see that the key features of NumPy are linear algebra operation, random number generation, Fourier transmission. These two are very important and essential for machine learning and both data science purposes. So we will know about that eventually in the future. So I'm giving you a short example of the features. So the last one is array broadcasting capabilities. We can see the arrays in action and we can do anything with it with the help of NumPy. Now let's move to Panda. So as you can see, the Panda is built on NumPy. As I said, NumPy built foundation for many other libraries. So it helps us for data manipulation and analysis. So as you can see, then Panda has two type of core structure. One is for one dimensional, is known as series, and the another one which is for the two-dimensional one, which is named data frame. We'll see that in our hands-on collab file, which is here. You can see this one. So let's see the key Panda capabilities. So we can see that the first one is data cleaning and pre-processing, because it can handle missing values and it can do the renaming and the formatting of the columns that we are going to deal. So it helps us to make the data arrange and curate to our parameters and its value, so we can easily identify what kind of data we are handling and rename them and restructure them. And we can also handle the data type conversion as well if we are dealing with float or integer values. So as you can see, the last point is data transmission. So it can help us to filter the operation, and we can do the grouping and aggregation, and as well as the data set. We have to handle a lot of data set while doing data analysis and manipulation, so it helps us to do that as well. So we have a short idea what NumPy and the Panda can do. So I want to give a short idea about its application in the data science. As you can see in NumPy, we can see that we can do the mathematical operation on a large data set, and the multi-dimensional array is helping us through NumPy, and we can do any kinds of calculation for array and matrices for machine learning and data science, which are helping us in both sectors, and it helps us to do the statistical computation as well. And Panda on the other side helps us in data preparation, as I said before, and helps us to explore the large data set and feature engineering for machine learning and time series analysis. I think it is referring to Fourier. Now, as you can see, NumPy and Panda in practice, let's see the file format they support. They support CVX file. If you have prior experience with CVX file, you know what is that, and the JSON data, we all know that, and it is kind of similar to if you are handling JavaScript or React framework, you can have familiarize yourself with JSON. So we can see that it can also support SQL and Excel datasheet as well. So let's end our theoretical knowledge now here, as we have enough knowledge right now for basic understanding what the NumPy and pandas do. So let's move on to the practical hands-on experience.